Yes, good afternoon, beta. Let's start with the revision. Yesterday we were doing symmetry chapter. We have discussed the basic concepts of symmetry, line of symmetry, rotational symmetry. Now I'm writing the name of the figures. You have to draw the figures and you have to draw their line of symmetry. Okay. First is equilateral triangle. Hurry up. Draw line of symmetry. Then isosceles triangle. Third is scalene triangle. Okay, draw their line of symmetry. Again, very less participants in the class. Equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3. It has three lines of symmetry. Isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. That is its median. Or you can say altitude. Scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. Got it? Now next is your parallelogram. Next is parallelogram. Then rectangle. Hurry up. Draw their line of symmetry. Parallelogram has no line of symmetry. Rectangle has two line of symmetry. Next is square. Next is square. Square has four lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has four lines of symmetry. Next is rhombus. Draw a line of symmetry of rhombus. Quadrilateral. Vaibhav is there in the class? Vaibhav. Next is regular pentagon. Draw their line of symmetry, then I will draw, you please all check it after that. Vaibhav, join your maths class. Vaibhav, join maths class immediately. For rhombus, you have two lines of symmetry. For quadrilateral, no line of symmetry. For regular pentagon, from each vertex, you will draw the line to the opposite side and that passes through the middle of the opposite side. Hurry up. Regular hexagon. You will draw vertical line, horizontal line, then the line that passes through the middle of these two sides, the line passes through the middle of these two sides, then from the vertex, then from the vertex of these two. So there are 6 lines of symmetry, and make sure that they will pass through the one common point. They will pass through the one common point. Next is circle. For the circle, there are infinite lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are infinite lines of symmetry. Okay. Now, this was your question number 7 of the exercise. Wait. Exercise 14.1. Now do question number 8. You have to draw the English alphabet that have vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, both line of symmetry. Yes, draw all the alphabets. Draw all the alphabets that are having vertical, then horizontal, then both line of symmetry. Draw the alphabets. A has vertical line of symmetry. Then B has horizontal line of symmetry. Draw all the alphabets like this. Hurry up. C, then B. Yes, hurry up. F has no line of symmetry. G has no line of symmetry. H has both line of symmetry. Yes. Draw it. I has both line of symmetry. J has no line of symmetry. K has no line of symmetry. L has no line of symmetry. M has vertical line of symmetry. N has no line of symmetry. O, O has two lines of symmetry. P has no line of symmetry. Draw next. Q has no line of symmetry. R has no line of symmetry. S has no line of symmetry. T has vertical line of symmetry. U has vertical line of symmetry. V has vertical line of symmetry. W has vertical line of symmetry. X has vertical line of symmetry. Y has Z has no line of symmetry. So we have drawn all the alphabets which have 1, 2 or horizontal, vertical and both line of symmetry. Now you can name the alphabets that have no line of symmetry. Question number 9 is draw the figures, mathematical figures or shapes and write their name as well, which have no line of symmetry. Hurry up, draw the figure. Yes, Samriddhi.
यस मैम।
हाँ जी बोलो।
मैम मैंने पूछना था कि एक्स में 2 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होती?
हाँ हाँ two होती है। So there are four alphabets which have four line of symmetry. H, I, O, X.
ओके
These are
मैम।
the four alphabets that have both line of symmetry. Okay? And the alphabet which have no line of symmetry are F, G, J, Z, K, L, N, P, Q, R, S. Okay? So these are the alphabet which have no line of symmetry. And four alphabets are there which have four line of symmetry. And A, N, T, U, V, W, Y are the alphabet which have only one line of symmetry. ठीक है? और जो four बताए हैं they have four line of symmetry. And remaining B, C, D, E are the alphabets which have horizontal line of symmetry. तो अगर आपके पास एग्जाम में आता है वर्टिकल तो सिर्फ वर्टिकल वाले लिखने हैं, हॉरिजॉन्टल तो सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टल वाले लिखने हैं, बोथ है तो फोर लिखने हैं. ठीक है, HIOX. और अगर आ जाए आपको मैसेज में कि विच हैव नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री तो आपने GFJKL ये वाले लिखने हैं जिसमें कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं है. ठीक है, क्लियर है बेटा? क्लियर? Okay. Now draw the figures which have no line of symmetry. Yes, Jasleen. Drishti. Can you name the figures which have no line of symmetry?
Yes ma'am, isosceles triangle, parallelogram and quadrilateral.
हैं?
मैम isosceles triangle,
नहीं,
parallelogram
isosceles
and
में वन होती है. Isosceles में वन होती है.
parallelogram and quadrilateral and scaling triangle.
Scalene triangle, quadrilateral, parallelogram and
मैम बस
trapezium.
यही बोलिए.
सिर्फ trapezium आ जाए तो no line of symmetry और अगर isosceles आ जाए तो one line of symmetry. ठीक है, तो फोर फिगर्स हो गई स्केलिंग ट्राइंगल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल और ट्रेपीजियम और
पैरेललोग्राम.
तो फोर फिगर्स है दैट हैव नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री.
मैम हम वीडियो नहीं स्टार्ट कर पा रहे.
मुझे आई हैव नॉट गिवन परमिशन दैट्स व्हाई.
ओके.
आर्यन यस, एक्स में बोथ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है, हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल. सिंगल नहीं होती, दोनों ही होती है. तो ठीक है, अगर आपको सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टल कहे तो बाकी बताने हैं, बोथ का कहे तो ये फोर अल्फाबेट्स बताने हैं. तो एक्स विल बी इन द कैटेगरी विद बोथ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. Okay, next is next question is, what other name can you give to the line of symmetry of isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle we have discussed in the beginning. Isosceles triangle की जो line of symmetry होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसे क्या कहते हैं? मीडियन, मीडियन यू कैन से। और सर्कल की जो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? डायमीटर्स। मीडियन, जो सर्कल की लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है, दे आर कॉल्ड डायमीटर्स। सर्कल की लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री आर कॉल्ड डायमीटर्स, देयर अदर नेम इज डायमीटर। यस लक्ष्य।
मैम आपने बोला था ना कि जो एक्स में है वो एक्स एच और आई और ये अपनी एक और थी ओ, उसमें 4 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है, पर मैम इसमें जो 2 लाइन ही है एक और
होती है, 4 नहीं होती, 2 होती है, हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल बोथ।
ओके।
These 4 alphabets have 2 line of symmetry. 2 means horizontal and vertical both. 4 नहीं, 2 होती है। ठीक है। Okay, draw rotational symmetry of square. स्क्वायर बना के उसको 4 बार रोटेट करो, 90, 180, 270, 360 पे रोटेट करो उसे।